In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable an ultra dark mode on your iPhone using the latest iOS settings to make your device look darker, save battery and reduce eye strain. First, launch settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option display and brightness. Then check in for the option dark mode. You can also enable automatic and set it from sunset to sunrise if you want it to switch on its own. Next, close this. Press and hold anywhere on the screen, select the option Edit, click on Customize. Now check in for the option Dark and set it to Always. Now launch settings, again go to the option Display and Brightness. Now head over to the option Liquid Glass and set it to Tinted. Then you can head back, navigate to the option Accessibility, tap on Display and Text Size. Now here enable for the option Transparency like with increased contrast. Then scroll down, toggle on for the option Reduce White Point and set it around 50 to 60% to dim bright elements across the system. Once everything is set, your iPhone will have a much richer ultra dark appearance that's easier on your eyes and can help conserve battery life. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.